Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. KG1 class. Today we are going to study from book New Oxford Modern English Primer A. Let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is read. KG1 class. First of all, watch on screen. What are you watching? Do you know what is the name of this letter? The name of this letter is M. This is a capital letter M and this is a lowercase letter m. Sounds like M. M. Let's learn which things begin with the letter M. Man. Man. Mouth. Mouth. Mouse. Mouse. Mat. Mat. Mug. Mug. Mango. Mango. Now students, read with me. Man. Man. Mouth. Mouth. Mouse. Mouse. Mat. Mat. Mug. Mug. Mango. Mango. The next letter is N. This is a capital letter N and this is a lowercase letter n. Sounds like N. N. Let's learn which things begin with the letter N. Net. Net. Nut. Nut. Numbers. Numbers. Nail. Nail. Nest. Nest. Nose. Nose. Now students, read with me. Net. Net. Nut. Nut. Numbers. Numbers. Nail. Nail. Nest. Nest. Nose. Nose. The next letter is O. This is a capital letter O and this is a lowercase letter o. Sounds like O. Let's learn which things begin with the letter O. Orange. Orange. Owl. Owl. Octopus. Octopus. Ox. Ox. Ocean. Ocean. Ostrich. Ostrich. Now students, read with me. Orange. Orange. Owl. Owl. Octopus. Octopus. Ox. Ox. Ocean. Ocean. Ostrich. Ostrich. The next letter is P. This is a capital letter P and this is a lowercase letter p. Sounds like P. P. Let's learn which things begin with the letter P. Pot. Pot. Pen. Pen. Pocket. Pocket. Puffin. Puffin. Paint. paint, parrot, parrot. Now students, read with me. Pot, pot, pen, pen, pocket, pocket, pin, pin, paint, paint, parrot, parrot. The next letter is Q. This is a capital letter Q and this is a lowercase letter q. Sounds like Q. Q. Let's learn which things begin with the letter Q. Q quilt, Q quilt, Q queen, Q queen, Q quill, Q quill, Q quiz, Q quiz, Q quill, Q quill, Q question, Q question. Now students, read with me. Q quilt, Q quilt, Q queen, Q queen, Q quill, Q quill, Q quiz, Q quiz, Q quill, Q quill, Q question, Q question. The next letter is R. This is a capital letter R and this is a lowercase letter r. Sounds like R. R. Let's learn which things begin with the letter R. Rat, rat, ruler, ruler, rabbit, rabbit, radio, radio, rupees, rupees, rose, rose. Now students, read with me. Rat, rat, ruler, ruler, rabbit, rabbit, radio, radio, rupees, rupees, rose, rose. The next letter is S. This is a capital letter S and this is a lowercase letter s. Sounds like S. S. Let's learn which things begin with the letter S. S star, S star, S sweet, S sweet, S stick, S stick, S sack, S sack, S sun, S sun, S soap, S soap. Now students, read with me. S star, S star, S sweet, S sweet, S stick, S stick, S sack, S sack, S sun, S sun, S soap, S soap. The next letter is T. This is a capital letter T and this is a lowercase letter t. Sounds like T. Let's learn which things begin with the letter T. To tap, to tap, to top, to top, to tin, to tin, to tomato, tomato, truck, truck, tortoise, tortoise. Now students, read with me. Tap, tap, top, top, tin, tin, tomato, tomato, truck, truck, tortoise, tortoise. Okay KG1 class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.